Okay, 2020 and up Chevy Silverado back seat, you want to remove it, all right? So I just got done removing this one. I'll tell you exactly what you need to do. First thing you're going to do is you're going to go under the seat. It's going to be 4 10mm bolts, okay? 4 of them. Take those guys out. You'll notice the back cushion will get loose, but you can't take it out. So you're going to need to pull out the headrests, okay? Pull out the headrest. There's buttons right here on the side. You're going to push these and then pull the headrests out, okay? So there's one there too. You also need to remove these retainers, okay? So you're gonna need to pry down with a screwdriver or a trim tool, like I have here, and pry right here. There's a button right here, and pull these guys out. So there's gonna be 6 of them, all right? Now you're not done still. Next thing is going to be to pry up on this release bracket you have here, okay? So you're not going to be able to see this at all, okay? So the cushion is going to go over it, but it's going to be lined up with these brackets, okay? There's going to be 3 of these. Okay, and they're all within the brackets, okay? Now the way you release them is you're going to get a flathead screwdriver, go down in the seat, you're going to have to pry it and everything like that. You're going to need to come down in here and pull it up, okay? So when you pull it up, you're gonna need to be pulling on the seat too, and it'll unlatch it, all right? I like to start with this one here. It seems to be the easiest one. Because you can pry and pull on the seat, and it'll undo, and you can work your way down, okay? This one's pretty hard to see, but it is lined up with the bracket right here. This is what you're looking for, because all you can really see when you have the seat up is this guy here. So just take note. Same thing with this side here, okay? So hopefully this helps you out. Take out the back seat. I know my stereo guy is probably going to do this because they're going to want to put some amps here. I'm actually just replacing the seat belt. So if the video was helpful, I'd really appreciate it if you could hit that like button for me if you could, or leave me a comment.